Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to do a very exciting Cartier unboxing. You guys have no idea how excited I am to finally open this. This was actually my Christmas gift from Oliver, who is my husband, in case you didn't know that. And I have not been wearing it because I've been dying to do this video. So that's what we're gonna do today. Just to preface, I'm obviously not gonna be doing like a whole what I got for Christmas video. I really didn't get much, not that I'm complaining. Okay, Christmas really, once you have kids, is all about the kids. Let's be honest with ourselves. So the kids got a whole lot. But we do Secret Santa for the adults, so really we just get like 1 or 2 gifts. I got a few skincare bits, which I'll pop a picture of here in case you want to know. But other than that, I got this. I got a Peloton, which I'm so excited. It's not here yet, but I'm so excited to finally start using that. And I got a humongous tote bag, which was completely inspired by Maggie Chu, by the way. I'm using that as my new work bag, and I'm obsessed with that. But that's all that I got. So there is what I got for Christmas. But this piece, I'm dying to open this. So if you guys want to see what I got from Cartier, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you're going to want to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like Christmas gifts, you like Cartier, I feel like this is definitely where you're going to be. So just subscribe if you're not already. And you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just a K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. It's a lot. Okay, we post a lot over there, so you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. I actually just realized that Alana moved my chair up. So here we are, back at normal height. Let me also preface this video by saying if I sound or look a little off, it's because I just tested positive yesterday for you know who. And so things are not working as they usually are. But you know what? We're roughing through it, aren't we? We are. So this is how everything, I believe, was wrapped up. I know the bag was not in use, or maybe it was just like in a really big like Cartier box. I really don't even remember. But I did obviously open it to see what it was on Christmas, but then I just put her right back in. So this is what we've got. I got a cute little Cartier bag with a little like to and from on there, which I have obviously never received with any of my other Cartier pieces. How freaking cute is that? And then I think that's just like the Cartier store, I'm pretty sure. And like the red boxes. Stop. So cute. And then I'm assuming this is the certificate of authenticity. Very importante. Happy to have that. It is a receipt and also a return label. So this was purchased on December 12th. Look at that, not waiting until last minute. I'm so proud. And here it is. Okay. I was not expecting to get any more Cartier this year. I got my Juste un Clou bracelet. I think that was all I got actually. And so excited. Okay, so here is the inside. Can you guys tell what kind of item it is? I think you can. You can definitely tell, because all the other boxes are different sizes. At least the ones that I've received have all been different sizes. So here is the interior box, and now you definitely know what kind of item it is. I think you definitely know. This is my new Cartier necklace. Look at the necklace. Oh my God, I cannot wait to wear this. This is the Cartier necklace that just has the diamond. This one is in yellow gold, and this is in the size extra small. They do come in extra small, small, and medium, but this one is just like the daintiest and cutest one. If you guys saw my luxury gift guide for this year, which I'll link up here in case you missed it, I did mention this, and I just think that it is so freaking sweet, because I've never mentioned this in my entire life, ever, until that video. So I just think that it is so sweet that my kind husband watched that video and got my gift from there. As you guys know, I used to have my Van Cleef necklace that was in the sweet size, that was in rose gold, and I used to wear that every single day. But I since sold it because I didn't feel like it was substantial enough for the price you pay and for it to be like an actual like Alhambra necklace. Like it felt like it just blended into my skin.
I can't see. Can you guys see? Am I getting it? Is it close? Did I get it?
Let's see for the first time, because I literally have not tried it on. Oh, you shut up. That is so adorable. Okay, anyways, so I bought the Van Cleef mother of pearl vintage Alhambra necklace, which I love and I still have that, but I can't wear that every day because obviously mother of pearl is not supposed to get wet. So I love that I now have a necklace that I can literally wear every single day, and it's got like the cutest little diamond on it, and I am obsessed. And like I said, the fact that that man watched my gift guide video just to buy me, okay, like stop it right now. Stop it. So like I said, this one is in the size extra small. It does also come in a small and a medium, but I feel like for every day, the extra small is kind of perfect. I'm pulling my sweater down, by the way, sorry. So you can actually see it. I feel like extra small is perfect for every day. Let me get closer so you can see. I wear all the gold. Honestly, it doesn't even matter, but I would probably prefer yellow gold or rose gold. And I got the yellow gold, so I'm very happy about that. And what a nice Christmas gift. Honestly, I felt like super cool opening a Cartier box on Christmas. Like, who do I think I am? I'm not sure. I can't tell you, but apparently Elfrid thinks I'm something special. Because like, so yeah, guys, that is my new Cartier piece. What do you guys think? Definitely let me know in the comments. I'm just so excited that this actually came from my wishlist video. Like, now in 2024, my wishlist video was going to be like all Birkin. No, I'm just kidding. I'm really not into Hermes, as I've already told you guys, but it's going to be, or maybe you guys haven't seen that video yet. We're going to talk about that in my wish list video, which is upcoming, I think. Stay tuned. But honestly, I'm just so obsessed with it. And I feel like this is never going to leave my neck unless I want to wear my vintage Alhambra necklace. But I also have another necklace that's on my wish list for 2024. So I don't know. Maybe I'm just going to be like a necklace type of bitch. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Here's the end. Oh, it's already a little open. Excuse me. Get it together, ma'am.